Really want to talk about this book. I was trying to see if I could find a really good introduction pattern making book, and I come across this one. I think this is a really good introduction to pattern making book. It's called A Metric Pattern Cutting for Women's Wear, and it covers just the basics of it. I read through it. I don't personally have this book because I already got my own pattern making book, but someone who wants to learn pattern making, I think this will be the best introduction book to work with. See if it will allow me to zoom inside. So this is the Kindle version, and this right here, I looked through it and I was reading through it, and it's pretty simple to follow. The only thing is, as you can see, it's not in inches, it's in centimeters. So that's the only difference. But base of the direction of doing the sloper is very simple. Now, if you understand pattern making, you also understand you have to have your own slopers to be able to do pattern. So I just want to share that for anybody, because I do get some comments of people asking, will it be a good introduction pattern making book? It's very hard to find a good introduction. I'm pitching someone who never done pattern making before, so I think this is a really good book to start with. So I hope that helps. If anybody is interested in learning how to do pattern making and where to start, I would suggest starting out with this book by this author, Winfield, and I can't pronounce their last name. So yes, so this is a book I would recommend for someone who wants to learn how to do pattern making.